What is the best way if someone makes you unhappy or angry? During that time, best way you not angry back that person is possible to be compassion for other person. That means why how can be compassion for them? Because they make me angry. If you able to think at the moment, 1 minute, the other person also is not happy that time, or controlled by ignorance. If you able to make the other person's personality and the ignorant to different, separate, then it's possible to be compassion with them. If you have the mind, compassion or loving kindness, that person, the angry is not arise your mind, because we are ordinary people have only one mind each time manifest, not two times. Special looking one object, you cannot raise manifest two different minds. Therefore, the best way you stop to angry or jealous or hate someone, you have to develop compassion and loving kindness for that person. I'm sure it is best way to peace your own mind.